Prior to transporting the pneumatic roller, you must know the height and weight of your machine and make sure the truck and trailer are properly sized. When transporting, first block the front and rear of the trailer's wheels and make sure the loading ramp can handle the weight of the machine. Make sure the trailer is cleared of ice, snow, or grease. Ensure that the roller's parking brake is in working order prior to loading it onto the trailer. Slowly drive the machine onto the center of the trailer for maximum stability. Lock the articulation joint if it is appropriate. Apply the parking brake and stop the engine. Close and lock all the machine doors and access panels. Block the front and rear tires of the machine on the trailer. Use 4 chains to fasten the machine to the trailer. Attach the chains to the lifting and towing eyes of the machine and diagonally across to the tie-down anchors of the trailer. Measure the distance from the ground to the highest point of the machine when on the trailer to ensure compliance with height regulations along the transport route. Make sure you know your clearance. As with all ODOT heavy equipment, a daily walk-around is essential before operation. It is important to conduct the pre-inspection before starting the roller's engine. First, check for any fluid leaks under and around the roller. Make sure that there are no broken, missing, or loose parts. Inspect the tires for damage and proper inflation. Clean all dirt and debris as well as any trash that may be present on the roller operator's platform. Store or remove all tools and loose items. Ensure that the roller's steps are clear of asphalt or any other obstructions. Lower the tire scrapers and check that the cocoa mats and water spray nozzles are clear of debris. Rollers are equipped with scrapers to help prevent tacky substances from building up on the surface of the tires. These are mounted on shafts with torsional springs. The scraper is adjusted correctly when it can be lifted from the tire with one finger. Never allow the scraper to wear to the point that it cuts grooves in the tires on the pneumatic rollers. Next, lift and secure the engine cover. Inspect the engine compartment for leaks and ensure that the drive belts and hoses are in good condition. Do not operate the roller if the drive belts are damaged or broken. Check the engine coolant level. If the coolant level is low, fill with the recommended ethylene glycol-based antifreeze. Never remove the radiator fill cap when the coolant is hot. Also, be sure to remove any debris on or around the radiator. Check the engine oil level. Remove the dipstick, wipe it clean, and reinsert it to get an accurate reading. Be sure the level falls between the proper marks. Add oil if necessary by following the instructions in the owner's manual. Close and secure the engine cover. Then, using 3 points of contact, climb onto the operator's platform. Inspect the ROPS to ensure it is free of damage. Always check the seat belt for any tears or abrasions and be sure to fasten it before operating the roller. Remember, the ROPS will not be effective without the seat belt. Start the roller and observe the gauges. If any gauge reads out of its normal operating range, shut off the machine and do not use the roller until the problem is fixed. Remember to never leave the machine unattended while it's running. You are now ready to get rolling.